AUDUSD analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, do all of that. Below the video, you can find some links. You can join Telegram channel if you want some free signals. Check out the brokers, sign up with them, start your trading journey. My analysis phase if you want. Otherwise, these are free videos and it's only your loss because I don't make these videos on daily basis because I don't get anything from you. Okay, so I mainly make these free videos on Sunday or in the weekend. And if you want my daily analysis, show your support. Otherwise, I don't really have any obligation towards anybody. Okay, so these are free videos which can still make you a lot of money if you know what you're doing. So starting the top down approach here with weekly time frame, and also here I want to tell you that you can use this analysis for nzdusd as well, because I don't record separate pairs separate videos for nzdusd. Okay, so AUDUSD is equal to nzdusd. Use the same video which I'm doing right now. So in weekly, what do we have? In weekly, we have a rejection, so we are going up. Trend is up, rejection has come this week or the week which has just ended. So the rejection price closed up, so hopefully we should go up. So let's come back to daily. In daily, we are just below the EMA. So in daily, we did not close above the EMA. Rejection has come. New low was created. So we have possibilities here. So for me, I will not continue the uptrend until this high is not broken. So if you place your line right here, in daily time frame, the blue candle has to break this line which I had just drawn, or rather this blue candle has to be broken by next coming candle on Monday or maybe Tuesday. If that happens, then that will be the confirmation that the trend will continue. Okay, for now you can see this was your downtrend pullback. New low has been created. Chances are, as per daily, that we might take a pullback and then go down. Okay, as per 4 hour, what we got here is 4 hour, definitely we are above, so we are not taking any shorts until we see a pullback. Okay, so this could have been the end of the trend. So this downtrend might be over because we have a huge candle engulfing everything here, but this high is not broken yet. Okay, so this high is at 64919 and this one is at 64914. So this could easily be turned as a double top as well, but you have to watch for maybe 2-3 candles on Monday. Okay, so when the market opens on Monday, London market will be off on Monday, but if this high is broken, then that will be the continuation of the uptrend. If this high is not broken, then this can act as a double top and price might reverse. Okay, so keep an eye what happens on Monday before the US market opens to analyze AUDUSD. Okay, so as per weekly, we have a rejection, we should go up. In daily, we have two kind of setup. Okay, new low is created, so this can merely be a pullback, then we might go down, or else if this high is broken, we'll continue the uptrend. In that case, we will see what happens in next couple of days. Okay, so for now, this is what I have for you. If you want maybe daily analysis, I don't owe you anything, as I said in the beginning, but you can pay my fees if you want to. That might encourage me to make more videos. Okay, for now, everything is free in Sunday swings, whatever you call it, Sunday videos, free videos. Enjoy them and utilize this knowledge and use it in your trading. And you can do demo accounts as well. Sign up with these brokers, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.